This is the BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 12-inch lawn mower. I have this for over a year, but I have never used it. Today's gonna be my first time using it. And just to give you an idea of how small it is, I got a 3 feet ruler here. So I'm gonna compare it to the ruler. I still have the box that came with it. It is 6.5 amp. And these are the user's manual. It's a corded lawn mower. 3-in-1, converts to mower, trimmer, and edger. And just so you know, there are 2 heights adjustments for the cutting height. So the cord doesn't get pulled out. First I tie a knot to the handle, and then I'm gonna push the cord in. This handle could be extended. To turn it on, I would just pull on this button or trigger, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna try cutting this grass. I don't know how I'm gonna do, because usually grass in people's front yard doesn't look like this. This one look worse. This is how it looks now. I'm not gonna cut the edge by the sidewalk. I'm gonna just leave those. This top part could be removed. So to remove this part, I'm supposed to push on here with my feet, push it, and then lift it up. So I'm gonna just hold it like this. I just did some trimming. This thing, it could do edging also. It would be a good idea to unplug it every time you change it from mowing to trimming to edging, because you don't want to accidentally pull the trigger here. To do edging, you want to release this and then turn the handle. Turn it and then lock it. Plug the cord back on. I gotta try edging this right there. I have never done any edging work in my life, so I don't know how this is gonna be. I gotta just give it a trim. I'll try edging this part. Let's take a close-up look. I think I did good at edging. To put this part back, just do that. Thanks for watching.